So this is the first step. Punta ka sa Trust Wallet, go to your Trust Wallet. Then if you are here in your Trust Wallet, no, haluan natin ng English yes kasi para may mga ibang lahi makapanood, no. So if you are here in your Trust Wallet, you cannot say OPBNB, no. Di mo nakikita. So what to do? I-click lang ito, manage crypto, just click. Then here, dito, i-search mo, no. Just type OPBNB. Then you can see like that, just switch on. Then go back. Yan. So nakita mo mayroon na siyang OPBNB. So i-click mo siya, just click. No, if you want to buy OPBNB, you need this, no. Click receive, then copy, then save your e-wallet address. Then if you want to buy OPBNB, kung gusto ka bibili, so you can message us or you're applying, or if you know how to buy in Binance, so you can buy in Binance.